Hello. I've got a unboxing review, sort of, basically for you. Another knife. This is a Karambit. I like Karambits a lot. I love the design on the the feel of them and stuff like that. This one's different. This is a Morphing Karambit, and it's from a company called Promithi, Promithi, and it's only $21.99 on Amazon. Now, this is pretty much a copy of the Cricut, I don't know, it's CRKT Provoke Kinematic EDC folding knife, which $160 to $200 depending on the variety, or the version you want or you get. This one is only $22. And now I love the idea, of the Morphing Karambit, and but I just can't see spending, $200 on it at the moment. Really can't, with everything going on. I'm not making that much money at the moment, so. But here it is here, and as you can see, it's small. I mean, it fits in your hand, but you open it up like so. If I can, let me do this. Raise this up a little bit. Okay, it has a liner, sort of a liner lock. I guess you would call it a liner lock, but it functions the same way. It's back in here, you push, and then you can pull the whole knife back. And it doesn't lock into place, but it is hard to open that way. We have our little ring on the back here, but the idea to open it would be like so, and then it locks, and then you're ready, to use it. It is very stiff. I just got it, haven't used it, haven't done anything with it. It might need to loosen these up here. They're a star type of bit, which I can't remember the exact name of them, but whatever, they're stars. You know what I mean. And for $22 is not bad. It's 140 millimeters, 78 millimeters closed, 3mm blade width, 4.2 centimeter blade length. It's an alloy steel blade. That's all it says. It does not give you anything else. The actual listing is the Promithi Morphing Karambit knife outdoor EDC folding knife, multifunction claw knife, pocket knife. Yeah, that is it's quite a mouthful. There is other colors. It's like a silver, white, black, and there's some different ones too as well. Glass breaker, a bottle opener, and they do actually look a little bit different. They look like they have gears instead of the round parts. And the prices are I got $3 more for those ones. But I really don't know what else to say. It's a neat knife. I mean, as a someone who likes karambits like I do, I think it's nice, to have in a collection or for my little personal collection, just because it's unique. Actually, I was going to print one. I have a 3D printer. Somebody actually came up with a 3D printed one of these, and you can actually put a regular utility knife blade in it. As far as sharp, it doesn't really feel that sharp at all, but I'm pretty sure it can be sharpened. And I would, I'm not sure about oiling it up because it might, easily pop open. I'm not sure about that, but the lock is nice and sturdy on it. The knife it's very sturdy. I mean, I'm impressed for $22. It's not bad as far as quality wise, but as you can see, it really picks up fingerprints and grease and everything. I don't know if you can tell there, but it really picks up the grease from your fingers and stuff like that. It's a neat knife. I mean, if you don't want to spend, or if you can't spend, like me, can't spend $200 on a knife. I mean, this is, a good choice, alternative, I guess you want to call it. I mean, if I had the extra $200, sure, I would buy one, and I would, I'd love to own one. It's a good knife, but this one here, it's not bad. I mean, only time would tell. And I wish I had, the real one to compare it to, which I'm sure it's totally different. I mean, this one here, it's very plain. That's one of the things that struck me, actually. about it is it's very plain. No kind of markings or details, or I don't know, but it is finished well though. But there's just no design or anything on it. I mean, it's certainly it's not a bad thing, but I don't know, it just kind of struck me that way. But all right, the Promithi, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Promithi, Morphing Karambit knife. It's an EDC knife. I like EDC, everyday carry stuff. You know, do a little work around the house and whatever. And it's nice to have, you know, some kind of knife with you. I don't think I would carry this for work. That's for sure. But, you know, as I said, I like karambits, and this is certainly a unique karambit to own, to have. All right, thanks.